Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lecturer in Law. So today topic will be how to prepare law GAT exams. So let's get started. So if we first see, the subjects included in your paper are in approximately 20 subjects, which included as major acts, minor acts and theoretical subjects, and which are further divided into 20% to 10% in total. Then the major acts which are included in your papers are Criminal Procedure Code, Civil Procedure Code, Evidence Act. Criminal Procedure Code and Pakistan Penal Code are correlated with each other. So that's why they further divided into 10% in each. Civil Procedure Code is very important because the total MCQs are included in it are 20%, and in the case of Evidence Act 20% are in total included in your MCQs. So these two subjects are very important because approximately 30 MCQs are coming in your exams from these two. Then the fourth one is Constitution of Pakistan and History of Constitution of Pakistan. They are also correlated with each other, and further they are also divided as 10% each and in total 20%. Then the other minor acts and theoretical subjects are Islamic, English, Public, International Law, Arbitration, Tort Law. So these are all 10% in each. It means only 5 to 7 MCQs are included in your paper. So only giving it a thorough reading is enough for you. Then if we see the solution, these two major acts are very important to prepare it at first. If we see in Civil Procedure Code, so if you give a 1 day 7 to 8 hours are enough for you, and these are very important section and orders that will definitely included in your paper, and they are very important. Then in the case of Evidence Act, you can give 7 to 8 hours as same as Civil Procedure Code, and these are very important chapters that I have mentioned here. Chapter 2 is Topple, Witness Character, Burden of Proof, Relevancy of Fact, and Dying Declaration. These are very important sections, orders, chapters that are mostly included in your paper. Then if we are talking about other acts like Criminal and Pakistan Penal Code, the examiner will definitely ask from you about sections, about magistrate powers, definitional sections, police investigation, magistrate appearance before magistrate, public nuisance, Qatl-e-Aam. These are very important chapters as well as sections. Then theft, robbery and assault. These are very important because examiner will consider it as mandatory provisions, and they will ask from you about section numbers, headings, punishment from it. So these three are very important major acts. Then if we are talking about professional ethics, then it is very important. About 100% of MCQs are included from this subject. Approximately 15 MCQs are included in your paper. So if you give 2 to 3 hours, it's enough for it. In case of constitution history, constitutional rights must be remembered. In history, prime minister names must be remembered. If you can't remember it, then it's okay, just give it a thorough reading because only 1 to 2 MCQs are coming from these subjects. And in case of public international law, you can see definition, theories, name, kinds, and very important is UN Charter. Mostly from 15 MCQs, 10% of MCQs are included from UN Charter. Then in case of other subjects like Islamic, English, US, UK Constitution, tort law, you can only just give it a thorough reading. Don't waste and enough time on it. Just give a 2 days, it will be enough for you. Then in case of Arbitration Act, fee structure and fines must be remembered because it is important. The examiner will ask from you. Then it is also very good for you if you buy HEC official book, updated one, because 30 to 40% of MCQs are included in your exam paper. If you don't want to prepare other subject from book, then you can also prepare from HEC official book. That will be enough for you. So if you only prepare these subjects, you will definitely get a success in your paper. And also make sure that you correctly highlight the circle, which is also very important step on bubble sheet. If you not highlight it correctly, then the computer will show it as incorrect. So be aware of it. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.